This video will show you how you can stop emails from going to spam in Gmail. There are a few different ways that you can do this. So the first thing, if you go to more and you go to spam, you'll be able to find your spam emails. I'm going to use this one as an example. If we click on it, we can just click report not spam. That will then put it into our main inbox. Now this isn't enough. Future emails from this email can still go to spam. So what you would want to do also is go ahead and add this email provider as a contact. To do that, we can copy their email from the email. We can go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner, and then we can scroll down and find contacts. Click on that. It will open a new window. Here we can click create contact, create a contact. You can add in their name, their last name, and most importantly, make sure you add in their email. So now we've added them as a contact, they're less likely to show up as spam. Now the last way, and this is going to be a guaranteed way, if you copy their email, you can then go to the three dots in the top right, filter messages like these, and just make sure their email's typed here. Then click create filter, and then you can click here, never send it to spam. So if you've got a specific email or person whose email's always going to spam, you can type in their email and click never send it to spam, then create filter, and any future emails from this person will appear in your inbox.